have you started a restoration project? Have you finished a restoration project? Do you understand how enjoyable that can be to clean these parts up? This is going to be something that's going to be a time-saving effort. There's a lot of tools that can help you do this. We're talking like dry blasting, wet blasting, parts washers. Stay tuned and see how we can take this part from trash basically to like new. Stay tuned. When you're doing a restoration, it can be difficult, it can be enjoyable, and you can also get the right tools to make it a lot of fun and very rewarding. This is a part that we've taken from disgusting to like new. As you can see, this is a great looking part now. It's able to go to the next stage of its life. What questions do you have? What applications can we help you with? What problems do you have? What challenges? Give us a call today. My name's Nikki. It's 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.